In this video, we'll learn how to use be complement structure to compare two things. Let's look at some examples first, where you can try to find a pattern. Sam 比 John 大4岁。Sam 比 John 大4岁。Brandon 比 Rich 小10岁。Brandon 比 Rich 小10岁。Paul 比 James 大一点儿。Paul 比 James 大一点儿。Peter 比 Brandon 大得多 or 大多了。Peter 比 Brandon 大得多 or 大多了。When we use be complement structure to describe A is greater or lesser than B by how much, we have to add the degree of how much at the end of the sentence. Let's look at the examples again. Sam 比 John 大4岁。Sam is 4 years older than John. Sam 比 John 大4岁。Brandon 比 Rich 小10岁。Brandon is 10 years younger than Rich. Brandon 比 Rich 小10岁。Paul 比 James 大一点儿。Paul is a little bit older than James. Paul 比 James 大一点儿。Peter 比 Brandon 大得多 or 大多了。Peter is much older than Brandon. Peter 比 Brandon 大得多 or 大多了。Now, how about we do a practice? How would you say the following sentence? An elephant is much bigger than a dog. You can find the answer in the description section below. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. 再见。